Alright, this is a quick tutorial for Code Ninjas about how to use Minecraft during our events. We'll need to play in the Minecraft Java edition, which is free to download but does require a license to play. We will provide you with a license if you don't have one during our events. Once you have that downloaded and installed and sort of logged in, which will provide you that info if you don't have it yourself, we'll need to go at the top of this first sort of splash page and click Installations. And then we need to make sure that we have 1.12.2 as one of our versions installed. If you don't have that, which you'll just have the latest release if this is your first time logging in, you can click this New button, name it whatever you like, and then on the version, you just need to hit this drop down and find 1.12.2. And then when you have that, you hit Create in the bottom right. And it'll take a second to install 1.12.2 if you don't have it installed already. I've added a couple here just sort of testing it out. It shouldn't take that long, but once it is installed, you just make sure you pick on your 1.12.2, oops, and you've got that selected while you hit play. Once you do that, Minecraft will do this little preparing slider for a bit. It takes anywhere between sort of 5 and 30 seconds depending on how recently you've set this up. But once that's loaded, Minecraft will open up. It sort of takes a moment when it first loads, just sort of give it a moment to catch up to it. Here it is. It usually takes a second to sort of load everything in really quickly. But then I'll get you onto the right server for us, or at least how to add that server. I don't have the number just now. So as soon as Minecraft loads, which should be any moment now, here we are. I just full screened it. We're on this sort of Minecraft Java page. You can hit this multiplayer button, and then you're going to need to add the server for the event. We may have sent this server detail out ahead of time in an email. If we didn't, we'll definitely provide it during the event. Don't worry about that. What you need to do is hit this Add Server button here in the right. Name it anything you like. Oops. And then the server address will be either provided to you ahead of time or during the event, and you'll be able to just paste it right in from how we share it with you, or if you need to type it, that's fine too. It usually looks something like a few numbers, a dot, a few numbers, a dot. And I think in there's sometimes a colon near the end for those last few numbers. But whatever that server address is, you'll paste it in here, you'll hit done, and then it'll connect you just fine. The one that I just created as a example won't work, but this birthday one earlier should work just fine. And that's how you get into our Minecraft events with us. If you do this ahead of time, it'll save a bit of headache during the event.